I'm Lakshmi Srilekha from Guide School of Pharmacy. Here, I want to talk about life after COVID-19, opportunities and challenges. So, let's have a look on how routines change and how can we adapt to new normal. First of all, I want to discuss what are the challenges we'll face. Pollution. Air pollution has intensified the pandemic, but the pandemic temporarily cleaned the skies. As COVID-19 swept around the globe from China, the governments began shutting down businesses and transportations, so that satellites detected sharp declines in pollution and compared with that of 2019, and also observed wildlife wandering in empty streets. This wandering shows this is the habitat once they had and that we have taken away from them. This clean pandemic sky shows how fast we can bring down the pollution if we reduce burning of fossil fuels, so that it is our responsibility to protect our environment for us and for our future generations. Education sector. COVID-19 transformed the structure of education system. There are some ways education sector will see changes in post-COVID-19. Traditional chalk talk to e-learning model. Lighter bags may become reality due to digitalization. Training of teachers will be qualitatively different for deliver impactful lecture in both online and offline. Technology will be used effectively to reduce the time in paper setting, evaluating and grading. But these are all possible only when there is a constant local power supply, device ownership, digital skills of students, teachers and parents in both government and private sector, affordable digitalization in underprivileged areas. Tourism and travel. Traveling for fun now becomes impossible prospect for most of us. Airports, hotels for accommodation, restaurants, beaches, museums, theme parks usually host large number of tourists. Hence, the tourism plans must have the ability to consolidate the trust within the customers. They need to shift their attention towards the health security of the tourists with the new travel guidelines. Health and sanitation. This lockdown highly educated the people about the importance of hygiene. Now they are aware of healthy food diet, regular exercise and meditation. So it is our responsibility to maintain hygiene to prevent the spread of other communicable diseases further. Employment and business economy. Many of them lost employment during lockdown and government sanctioned relief packages to save the daily wages. One lesson learned from the crisis is speed limit. The pandemic obeys no speed limit, so that the businesses have to adapt through quick fixes work around. After COVID-19, there is a chance of increase in rate of gold, real estate and fuel. Agriculture sector. The behavior of agriculture sector is different from other sectors. Agriculture never stops, neither weekend nor holidays nor during a pandemic. During lockdown, there is a reduced production of agriculture products due to less transportation and shortage of laborers. By considering these circumstances, this pandemic will lead to the change in cropping practices in agriculture sector. Healthcare. In a post-coronavirus world, healthcare would emerge as a major focal point of attention for many nations across the world. Healthcare comprises of medical services, pharmaceuticals and biotechnology. Overall development in the healthcare includes affordability, accessibility and quality. No more waiting rooms in clinics. Increases telemedicine. Adoption of self-help management enablers for avoiding hospitalization. Digitalization in diagnostic procedures. Pharma industry will have a significant role in future. The focus of many pharma companies includes artificial intelligence from drug research and development, increased supply of required drugs, strategies for the transportations of drugs quickly to reach patients, increased medical tourism for the proper treatment. E-commerce and logistics. The future of e-commerce will be more exciting. A lot of new categories will join the basket of e-commerce, making every services and products online. So there will be more chance of shifting offline retailers to online. To meet the spike in consumer demand, opportunity for hiring a large number of workers for its distribution center and delivery network. The post-COVID-19 will bring a larger demand in logistics as the dimensions of delivery expand. Digitalization, robotics, cybersecurity. COVID-19 is the best driver of digital transformation. Employee experience digital technology like nice to have to the only way to get work done. Robotics usage will be very high and industries could benefit from its application and fields which are considering non-practical. Progressive industries and organizations will test and validate the implementation of robotics in public and personal uses. As digitalization increases, cybersecurity will be the center of the new era to arrest the occurrence of cyber crimes and financial fraud. the first most important thing is we need to highly appreciate the unimaginable bravery and heroism of our soldiers who are still fighting for us in the border during this pandemic. Doctors who are trying to save the lives, sanitation workers know the risk of infection but still maintains the hygiene in our surrounding localities, polices, safeguards of security, scientists doing their best for the vaccines. So post COVID-19 either be challenging or opportunistic. We finally the day comes we're all together defeated coronavirus.